everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful and easy crochet pattern. It's a 2-row repeated pattern and you can use this pattern to make crochet jacket and crochet dresses. Before starting the main tutorial, I want to request all of you, if you are new in my channel today, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get my next video update. And if you like my video, give a thumbs up. So let's begin. At first, I will show you all the necessary supplies for this project. I will use cotton yarn and 2.5 mm crochet hook. You can use any kind of yarn with its recommended hook size, and I will use a scissor. At first, I will make one slip knot to make the foundation chain. Slip knot is done. Now I will make foundation chain, and the foundation chain should be multiple of 4 plus 3, and here I will make total 31 foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Here I make 21 chain stitch and its multiple of 4, and now I will make 3 extra chain stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Here I completed total 31 foundation chain. Now I will make one double crochet into the top of the 4th chain stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4th chain stitch. Double crochet is done. Now I will make 2 chain stitch, 1 and 2, 2 chain stitch, and now I will skip next 2 chain stitch and I will make one double crochet into the 3rd chain stitch, 1, 2 and 3, 3rd chain. Double crochet is done, and now I will make one double crochet into the next chain stitch. I make 2 double crochet into this 2 chain stitch, and now I will make 2 more chain stitch, 1 and 2, 2 chain stitch, and I will skip next 2 chain stitch and I will make one double crochet into the 3rd chain stitch, 1, 2 and 3, 3rd chain. Double crochet is done, and now I will make one double crochet into the next chain stitch, this chain stitch. Double crochet is done. Now chain 2 again, 1 and 2, 2 chain stitch, and now I will skip next 2 chain stitch, 1 and 2, and I will make one double crochet into the 3rd chain stitch, 1st, 2nd and 3rd chain stitch. Double crochet is done, and now I will make one double crochet into the next chain stitch. Double crochet is done. Now I will make 2 chain stitch, 1, 2, 2 chain stitch, and I will skip next 2 chain stitch and I will make one double crochet into the 3rd chain stitch, 1, 2 and 3, 3rd chain. One double crochet, and now I will make one double crochet into the next chain stitch. Now chain 2 again, 1, 2, 2 chain stitch, and I will skip next 2 chain stitch and I will make 2 double crochet into the 3rd and 4th chain stitch, 1, 2 and 3, 3rd chain. Double crochet is done, and now I will make one double crochet into the next chain stitch. After completing the foundation chain, here at first I skipped first 3 chain stitch from the hook and I make one double crochet into the top of the 4th chain stitch, and then I make 2 chain stitch and I skipped next 2 chain stitch and I make one double crochet into the 3rd chain stitch. After that I make one double crochet into the next chain stitch and then I make 2 chain stitch and I skipped next 2 chain stitch here, and I make 2 double crochet into the 3rd chain stitch and 1 double crochet into the 4th chain stitch. Then I make 2 more chain stitch and I skipped next 2 chain stitch and I make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain stitch. After that I make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain stitch, then chain 2 again, and I skipped next 2 chain stitch here and I make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain stitch and I make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain stitch, then chain 2 and I skipped this 2 chain stitch and I make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain stitch and I make 1 more double crochet into the next chain stitch. First round is complete, and now I will start the second round. In the beginning of the second round, at first I will make 4 chain stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain stitch, and now I will turn it. Now I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Now chain 2, 1 and 2 chain stitch, and now I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, 1 and 2 double crochet. Now chain 2 again, 1 and 2 chain stitch, and now I will make 2 double crochet into the next chain 2 space, 1 and 2. In the beginning of the second round, at first I make 4 chain stitch and then I skipped it. After that I make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, then chain 2 and then I make 2 more double crochet into the next chain 2 space, then chain 2 again. After that I make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space. Now I will make 2 chain stitch and I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, then chain 2 and then I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space. You have to repeat this pattern to complete this round till this point. So, I will be back after completing this row till here. I completed this round till here. Now, I will make 1 chain stitch and I will make 1 double crochet into the top of the 3rd chain stitch, 1, 2 and 3, 3rd chain stitch. Double crochet is done. Second round is complete, and now I will start the third round. In the beginning of the third round, at first I will make 3 chain stitch, 1, 2, 3 chain stitch, and now I will turn it. Now I will make 1 double crochet into this chain 1 space, 1 double crochet. Now chain 2, 1 and 2 chain stitch, and now I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, 1 and 2 double crochet, chain 2 again, 1, 2 chain stitch, and now I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, 1 and 2 double crochet. In the beginning of the third round, at first I make 3 chain stitch and then I turned it. After that I make 1 double crochet into this chain 1 space, then chain 2, and then I make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, then chain 2 again, and then I make 2 more double crochet into this chain 2 space. Now I will make 2 chain stitch and I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, then chain 2, and then I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, and you have to repeat this pattern to complete this row till here. I completed this round till the last chain 2 space here. Now I will make 2 chain stitch, 1, 2, 2 chain stitch, and now I will make 1 double crochet into this chain 1 space, 1 double crochet, and now I will make 1 double crochet into the top of the third chain stitch of the previous row, 1, 2 and 3, third chain, double crochet is done, third round is complete, and now I will start the fourth round. In the beginning of the fourth round, at first I will make 4 chain stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 chain stitch. Now I will turn it, and now I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, 1 and 2, 2 double crochet. Now chain 2, 1, 2, 2 chain stitch, and now I will make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, 1 and 2, 2 double crochet. Now chain 2 again, 1, 2, 2 chain stitch, and now I will make 2 double crochet into the next chain 2 space, 1 and 2. In the beginning of the fourth round, at first I make 4 chain stitch, and then I turned it. After that I make 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space, then chain 2, and then I make 2 double crochet into the next chain 2 space, then chain 2 again, and then I make 2 more double crochet into this chain 2 space. You have to repeat this pattern to complete this round till here. So I will be back after completing the whole row till this point. I completed this round till here. Now I will make 1 chain stitch, 1 chain stitch, and now I will make 1 double crochet into the top of the third chain stitch of previous row, 1, 2 and 3, third chain, double crochet is done. Here I completed total 1, 2, 3 and 4 rounds. You have to repeat the third and fourth, these 2 rounds to get your desired size of your crochet project. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and share it and leave a comment into the comment box. See you in my next video with a new crochet tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye.